have one. A family member is washing dishes in the background. I've acquired some Sour Patch Kids Extreme Super Sour, then Sweet. So I'm gonna try them for the first time, and I'm not gonna get. I heard it might be. I don't know. A family member said it might be too sour for the family member. What's it like? If these are underwhelming, then yeah, they're Skittles. They look different. They have the same shape, but they have different material feel. They're not overly sour. They're not like good, but they're not bad, but they're not good. Conclusion, I'd eat these. Bye.